Welcome to White Bear Lincoln, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with available Google connected in-car apps, acoustic laminated windshield, driver attention alert system, power side mirror adjustments, steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, evasive steering assist, power door locks anti-lockout, power windows with safety reverse, dual front knee airbags, wireless Bluetooth data link, and much more. Since 1978, family-owned White Bear Lincoln has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing experience around. We provide a friendly atmosphere where you know you're getting the best service because we care about our customers. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you find a vehicle that is just right for you. Our online reviews say it all. Come see for yourself why so many happy customers choose White Bear Lincoln.